Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase sales with Slack, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, create a dedicated sales channel on Slack. This will serve as a hub for all sales related communication. Invite your sales team and relevant stakeholders to join the channel. Next, integrate your customer relationship management tools with Slack. This allows real-time updates and notifications about leads and sales opportunities. Encourage your team to share success stories and wins in the channel. Celebrating achievements fosters a positive environment and motivates everyone. Use Slack's file sharing feature to share sales materials effortlessly. Sales pitches, product catalogs, and case studies can be easily accessed by the team. Schedule regular sales meetings using Slack's meeting integration features. This ensures everyone stays aligned on goals and strategies. Create a bot for lead tracking and updates. Automating lead notifications helps the team respond promptly to inquiries. Utilize Slack reminders to keep track of follow-ups and important deadlines. Setting reminders ensures no lead falls through the cracks. Incorporate Slack polls to gather feedback on sales strategies and pitches. Collecting input from the team can lead to more effective approaches. Communicate with your marketing. This collaboration ensures that sales efforts are aligned with marketing campaigns. Leverage video and voice calls for more personal communication. Engaging directly with leads can greatly enhance your sales process. Finally, analyze communication patterns in Slack. Identifying trends can help you optimize your sales strategy over time. By implementing these steps, you can effectively use Slack to boost your sales efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.